Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change the Discord server name. So for that, open the Discord application first. So once you're at the home page, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Tap that, and there you need to tap on the server name that you want to change it to a different one. So I'm just gonna go with this one. I'm gonna change the server name over here. For that, tap on the three dotted lines just beside the server. Tap that. Here on this option, you need to tap on the settings. Once you're at the setting page, you need to tap on the overview. Tap that. In the overview page, you will see the server name on the very top. Now you need to cross that out, and there you will be able to provide a new name for your server. So I'm going to type in over here. Once the server name is done, you need to save these changes. Tap on save on the top right corner, and this will change the server name right away. Now if you go back, you can see the server name being different. So this is how you can change a server name in Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.